Alright guys, we are here at Premier Nissan Mall of Georgia. Today they've given us this 2025 Pathfinder, the Platinum Edition. Give y'all a quick walk around. This one is in white. This is the new design for the 2025 models. Start with the trunk. See, one touch button opens up the trunk. There isn't a lot of space, cargo space, but you can take these down like this, like that. Gives you a lot more cargo space. If you want to pull those back up, pull these up. There you go. You can put this up as well. This looks like a protector for the cloth right here. And then you also get another cargo space right here. If you want to close it back up, just hit that button. Alright, and here are the rear seats. Really comfortable. The seats, this leather is nice and comfortable. You have your climate controls back here, charging ports, 120 volt right here. Good storage space. Nice cubbies. You got two up top and you got two below. Your third row seat back there as well. You have your climate controls right here. Turn these on. Heated seats. Increase. They have auto as well. Turn that off too. Let's go check out the front. Your driver view. Does have Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth audio. Touchscreen is a little bit laggy, but it gets the job done. Your camera. It's a 360 camera, good quality and everything. Looks like there's a night mode if you want to dim the lights. Climate controls, pretty basic. Heated steering wheels. Got heated seats and cooled seats. You have rear controls right here. And you have a lane steering assist. You have some steering wheel controls as well. You have your music controls, and you have your cruise controls right here too. It does have different modes. I believe this is standard. This is snow, mud, sand for off-roading. You have eco mode, sport mode, and tow mode. So there's a good collection of different drive modes. Keep it in auto for now. And at your center console, which is decently sized, fit a good amount of things in here. Looks like you have a little bit of storage right here too. I believe it does have wireless charging right here. You have 2 charging ports right there as well. Two cup holders. These seats are nice leather, perforated. You get a sunroof. Open and close that up. Leave this one touch to open. Alright. Do get paddle shifters as well.